So guys, let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day, right, on our AUD USD, which is our Australian dollar US dollar. So before we go ahead to predict what market is actually going to be giving us for the day, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button, make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any updates. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So once again, guys, click on the subscribe button, like and share. Now let's start with the trend. Remember, guys, first thing first, before you take a trade, you need to know these two things. The first thing is to know your trend. Second is to actually trade with the trend. So basically, before you take a trade, right, you need to know what the trend is, right? So once you know what the trend is, then you can now trade with the trend. Now, the question is, what can you say the trend is on our AUDUSD? If you have to, since we would want to see what markets will be doing for the week, we need to go to the weekly time frame. And now on this your weekly time frame, what can you see the trend is? It is very clear, it is very simple. The trend on our weekly time frame is in an uptrend move, right? We are in an uptrend move. Now, guys, pay attention to this movement. This is the overall movement, right, on our AUD dollar. This is the impulsive move. With this impulsive move, if you have to go down to either your 4-hour time frame or daily time frame, you will see a series of higher high and an higher low, which was market was literally giving us, right? Then this is a pullback phase, which is a series of lower high, lower low, and a lower high, right? Then if you also see this movement, markets did push up again, give us another impulsive move, right? This impulsive move was if you have to go down to your either 4-hour time frame or daily time frame, you see that market did give us a series of higher high and an higher low that literally took out this previous high, right? Now here comes the corrective phase, which is a series of lower low and a lower high, right? The market was able to push up again to give us another impulsive move. Now here comes the corrective phase, right? With this corrective phase, market eventually did give us another impulsive move. Remember, within this impulsive move, market did give us a series of higher high and an higher low, right? Now this is the corrective phase, which market did give us a series of lower low and a lower high. Now if you have to take a look at what market is doing, market is now starting to give us that bullish move, which is about to form an impulsive move. So now this is for a long-term trader. If you are a swing trader and you like to hold your position for a couple of weeks, right? Now is actually the best time and your best opportunity for you to go in for the buy, because in the long run, we will be seeing markets, you will see that markets will push up to eventually take out this high right here. You see this high? It will eventually push up to take out this high. So with that movement, we should be expecting in between 100 pips. So for market to push up to come here to give us an equal high, that will be about 100 pips. So basically, you should be targeting 150 pips for the week on your odd US dollar. So our bias right for the week on odd US dollar is to the upside. So we should be anticipating for the bullish move on our odd USD, right? Now let's drop down to our daily time frame. This is the daily time frame, right? We had a multiple rejection. This is it, right? Market did first give us, right, pullback, drop, then a pullback. Market gave us another drop, right? This, we can see this will be our left shoulder. The market was able to push up, right? Then it was able to now drop again, which we cannot take this to be your right shoulder. The market eventually push up again. So now you can see that market has now given us an head and shoulder pattern. And you all know what head and shoulder pattern means. It means a reversal movement. So with such a movement, we should expect market to pull back and push up. So market should continue that movement, which is a series of higher high and higher. Continue. It is able to take out this high completely, thereby giving us a new higher move is what we should be expecting on our AUDUSD. If there will be any changes to this movement, I'll make sure I do the update and let you guys know. So make sure you subscribe in order for you not to miss out on the updates.